Hello everyone, welcome to our educational guide on human body vocabulary. Today, we will learn the names of various body parts and organs in English. Let's begin. Let's start with the face. Look closely at the area above the eyes. These are the eyebrows. They help protect our eyes. Repeat after me. Eyebrow. Attached to the eyelids are the eyelashes. They are the tiny hairs that keep dust away from our eyes' eyelashes. Can you see them clearly? Now, look at the side of the face. This soft area is called the cheek. We have two cheeks, one on each side, cheek, cheek. Moving to the mouth area, these are the lips. We use our lips to speak, eat, and smile. Lips. Notice how they move when we talk. Inside the mouth is the tongue. It helps us taste food and pronounce words correctly. Tongue, tongue, it is a very important muscle. At the very bottom of the face is the chin. It is the bony part below your mouth. Chin, touch your chin while you say it. Moving down, we reach the neck. The neck connects the head to the rest of the body. Neck. It allows us to turn our heads. This is the chest. The chest is the front part of your upper body. It protects internal organs like the heart and lungs. Chest. Now, let's look at the back. The back is the large area behind you, extending from the neck down to the waist. BACK, back. Let's learn about the arms. This joint is the elbow. It allows your arm to bend and stretch. Elbow, ELBOW. Can you feel your elbow? The part that connects your hand to your arm is the wrist. Wrist. We use our wrists to move our hands in different directions. Open your hand and look at the flat middle part. This is the palm, PALM. We use our palms to hold and push objects. On each hand, we have 5 fingers. Fingers help us grab things, and right finger, FINGR. Look at how flexible they are. The thickest and shortest finger is called the thumb. It is very useful for gripping. THUMB. The B at the end is silent. At the tip of each finger, you have a fingernail. These protect the sensitive ends of our fingers. Let's say it together. Fingernail. Now, let's move to the lower body. The upper part of your leg is the thigh. It contains the strongest muscles in the body. The back part of your lower leg is called the calf, CLF. It helps you stand on your toes and walk. The joint that connects your foot to your leg is the ankle. It allows your foot to move up and down, unclearly. Looking at the foot, the back part is the heel, HEL. Your heel touches the ground first when you walk. Just like fingers, our feet have toes. We have 5 toes on each foot. TOE. They help us keep our balance. And on our toes, we have toenails. Toenail. They are similar to fingernails but on our feet. Repeat one more time. Toenail. Finally, let's look at some important internal organs. Inside your head is the brain. It is the control center for everything you do. Brain. The heart is located in your chest. It pumps blood to every part of your body. Heart. It works all day and night. The lungs are also in your chest. They help you breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Lungs, LUNGS. You have done a fantastic job today learning all these new words. Practice them often to remember them. Thank you for watching and see you next time.